Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CNC Design Guide. Today we will make a simple shape of a circle and a crescent in this video and make its DXF file. Just go to this left side of your panel. You will see here ellipse tool. Sometimes it's written as rectangle tool because if you click on right click on this option, you will see here rectangle tool. If I select rectangle, it will show the rectangle here. If I select the ellipse tool, it will show the ellipse tool. Okay, select this ellipse tool. Just click on the anywhere on the artboard. It will highlight the dimensions option. You have to uh, enter the size of your circle. So I'm just making a circle of 5 inches by 5 inches, selecting OK. So it will show the circle here. So make sure you have single color shown in this window. If you see here, if I hover mouse on this white color, it is showing it as fill, and if I hover the mouse on this black color, it shows it as stroke. If I click on it, it will activate this stroke. If I click on the fill, it will activate its stroke. Make sure this fill is selected as none. You should not have a fill here. Why? I will show the its consequences in the later of the video. Okay, just select this mouse button, selection tool. If you hover it, selection tool, and now you can drag this circle here or there. If you move this circle to the out of this artboard and on the canvas, you will see the color of the circle is none or it's transparent. If you go to this fill option and select the white color, you will see it will have white color. And also if you zoom in, press alt and scroll to zoom, you will see here the black color also. So it will have two colors. If you import this file into the DXF and SheetCam, you will have duplicate lines here, one for this white area, one for this black line. So you have to make sure you select this fill as none for this circle. Okay, now press Ctrl and scroll. You will move towards this artboard. Now click and drag the circle here. Make sure you align the circle on the center of the sheet. This is showing align to artboard option. Go to this horizontal align center and then vertical align center. It will align the circle on the center of the sheet. Okay, now the circle you have made here. Now I want to make it as a crescent. So I have to just select another circle. Just clicking it here, I will get another circle of 5 inches by 5 inches. I will then select this selection tool or press V. If I press V, my mouse changes to this black cursor. So this cursor is for selecting and moving the shapes. So I'm moving this shape to this here to make something similar to a crescent shape. Okay, now I have placed my new circle on the original circle. Now I have to select both shapes. Just click and drag from outside and just select these both of the circle and go to this window. Go to the Pathfinder option. Pathfinder option, you have these some options here: unite, minus front, intersect, etc. So I am minusing this circle, the new circle, from the first circle to get this crescent shape here. Look, if I click on this minus, you will see the crescent shape here. For example, if I press Ctrl Z to get to the previous position, and if I click on this unite, it will increase the area of this circle to this circle, or it will unite both of the circle to get a bigger shape. You see here, Ctrl Z, just see the shape here. That's it. Press Ctrl Z again. So I'm just making at a minus front, click. So it will give me a simple crescent shape. So this is a clean line design ready to export it for DXF and CNC plasma cutting. So just go to File, Export, and Export as. Make sure save file type as save as type, make sure it as DXF. So I am saving my file as DXF. You have also many other options, DWG and SVG we mostly use for for CNC plasma cutting G codes. So my SheetCam works best with this DXF. I will export it, and now the AutoCAD version of this file, DXF file, the best in my experience that works with SheetCam is 2010 into 2011. This version works best with SheetCam. Other versions also work best, but this is the finest with less duplicate lines, less number of points, with good clean cuts. Also make sure scale is 1:1. If you are making the file in inches, make sure it shows inches, and also use these units in the sheet cam. Leave other settings as it is and just select OK. Now you have exported your this Crescent file in the DXF file, and you can use this DXF file for sheet cam toolpaths and make it for get ready for CNC plasma cutting. That's it for today. We will make another video on a different topic with more advanced techniques in the Adobe Illustrator to use it for the CNC plasma cutting. Thanks for watching this video.